Hey, I want to give you a bit of an overview today on the sort of marketing that professional photographers do. Now, straight up, this is a bit of a plug. So I'm going to give you some free content in exchange for me telling you about something I am currently selling. And that is a Marketing 101 workshop, where we go into full detail over several hours of exactly what I do, how I do it, why I do it, and the results I get from it. But this bit here is free, so enjoy it regardless. So once a week, often on a Monday, but not always, I do Marketing Monday. I call it Marketing Monday because it alliterates and I'm quite basic and I like fun things like that. So Marketing Monday happens on a Thursday, happens on a Friday, but I still call it Marketing Monday. It is the one day of each week, regardless of how busy I am, that I set aside to my marketing. And marketing is a huge part of photography. And yes, first and foremost, your work is your marketing. That is absolutely it. But there's a load of other stuff. And I want to give you a few of those bits of information for free to help you out. Now, the first thing I do is Instagram. And you might be going, oh, that's not really great marketing. It is brilliant marketing, but probably not the way that you're using it. You need to be finding the key photo agents, ad agencies, art buyers, creative directors, and following them and engaging in them and posting a consistent quality body of work to your grid and constant behind the scenes stuff to your stories. Every day I will post what I'm doing at work. So I'll be here in my studio being like, look, here's what we're working on. This is what I'm doing. Got a secret project on the go. Can't show you today. Whatever it may be. Here's my cat. She's currently sat down here being like a roast chicken. But getting that out there constantly, because yes, people use things like LinkedIn for work, but when they go to the toilet and admit it, they're on Instagram. And that's when you want to be capturing their imagination. That's when you want to be showing yourself to them. The number of followers you have is irrelevant. How many likes you get doesn't matter. All that matters is that 20 or 30 people in the country that really matter have their eyes on your work when they're going for a number 2. The next one is having a good CRM. And that is making sure you've built up a good list of all of the contacts that you need to be contacted. Now, GDPR is a funny one. If you're doing business to business, the rules are very different. I suggest you search that and work out exactly what you can and can't do. But there are also some great companies that I talk about a lot, which will help you with that. And you can buy mailing lists ready-made, and you can subscribe to mailing lists where whenever someone gets a promotion or changes job, you get a notification, a change of address. You can even send them a well done message. So these things are very important. It's something that we spend a lot of time doing. Now, the third and final tidbit I'm going to give you is your portfolio. And this is to make sure that you build tailored, custom portfolios for every single person. The same portfolio of your work is not relevant to everybody. Yes, you probably have your general portfolio, but you need a working file, which is something I go into in the workshop, where you can drag in images quickly into a brilliant PDF, which looks great and has great design, and just send it out. Now, this is just a small snippet of what I do on a Marketing Monday. The whole day lasts about 10 hours, which is my least favorite day of the week. I don't enjoy doing it. It's not something I want to do. It's not something I like doing. You know, all the phone calls you have to do, the meetings you have to set up, the portfolio showings and all that sort of horrificness. It's not for me. The e-shots, the cards and all that. I don't enjoy it, but I have to do it because I have a business and I am a photographer. And as a photographer, we need to make money. Anyway, I hope these little hints have been of use to you and hopefully can point you in the right direction. I also have on my website a list of all the different things I do on Marketing Monday, and I'll put that in the description below, just so you can go there, download it and work out what I do. And that should hopefully get you going with your business. Anyway, I hope this has been of use. If you have any questions, let me know down below. If you have any things you're struggling with, pop it in the comments below and I'll try and make a video on it in the future. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.